What's up guys, it's me Curly, the one and only. What's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Today is the opening of PE Week. Yung gagawin namin ngayon ay palarong Pinoy. I don't know kung anong laro yung lalaro namin, pero palarong Pinoy yung tawag din. Supposedly kasama din kami sa hip-hop competition on Friday, pero dahil hindi mo kami pag-practice, nag-backout na lang kami. Hopefully, I get to vlog a lot, so I can include a lot of the clips of my day in this vlog. But if not, then pagbigyan nyo na. That's the typical me, you know? Oh, shit. Look at this, guys. Dalawa yung Ivy Lace ko for this school year. This is my OG. This one is from my club. I didn't buy one from my section because I found it too cringy, but this one, I had to, because if I don't, then the others won't buy it. And I'm gonna switch from this to this because I'm going to be representing my club, so of course I need to wear some branding at least. By the way, I'm also filming a YouTube short while I'm filming this vlog, so check out my YouTube shorts section. Just click my channel and then go to shorts. It's probably there somewhere. Oras na, nasa bahay pa rin ako. So, I have this used tarpaulin that I'm gonna give to our school because they need used tarpaulins. And then, this is the x-ray result of Micaela and Hannah because last week tayo nagpa-x-ray kami. Tapos, oh my god, yung kilay ko pa-disappear na. Anyways, see you at school. I'm here. Hindi naman halata na magulo yung buhok ko, diba? Ako lang talaga nakakapansin. Pero ayusin ko yun mamaya. Pero late na ako. Ulitin ko talaga yung buhok ko. Kasi hindi ako satisfied. Oh my god. Saan ginanap yan? Naka-video ka ba?
Oo, mag-hi ka, dali. Mag-hi ka rin. Ayan, ang pangit pa rin. Ayan o. Ito. Oh, ito. O, diba? Good morning, Mama. This is my TikTok buddy. His name is Owen Aldrich Owen ba? Owen Aldrich? Aldrich Owen. Oo pa lang ng Owen! This is Ashley Opeko. Sila yung masaya ka bonding sa TikTok. Diyan natin. Diba? Perfect.
Pahinga ako niyan.
I'm sorry. It's fine, Carlo. Hawakan mo to. Hawakan mo. Oh, kumpara mo dito.
Isa na yun.
Okay na yan. Ayoko na. Ulitin ko ulit.
Sports and game, but we also celebrate the spirit of unity, discipline, and most especially camaraderie that define every Arellano University student or chiefs. This is our chance to live
Thank you for those encouraging words from our principal, Mrs. Junasi Dulay. Your message will surely inspire our students to play.
We will start the Strand Mural 2025. We will proceed to the lighting of Calderon, a symbol of passion, energy, and determination.
Ikaw, Anika, ano masasabi mo sa nangyayari ngayon sa Arellano? Ang ginit! Sumali sa ito. Oo nga, bakit wala ka na ngayon doon? Di ba dapat nasali ka doon?
Ano kasi, si ma'am, hindi pinabasa yung message namin. Kaya hindi kami nakalit. Hindi, okay lang sa akin, hindi ako kasali dyan.
May plus points na pa rin.
May plus points pa rin. Sige mo.
Pagod na ako.
Wala talaga pumunta.
Ha?
Wala talaga pumunta.
Kaya nga eh, tayo lang, no? Ito lang pumunta. Video ka yan? Oo.
Tiral na mga player lang.
Kaya nga eh. Mga walang moral support. Guys, I'm here. Wala na akong energy. I'm thinking of different ways na pwede ko itong suotin. Pero tingnan niyo, masama-sama na siya ng pawis yung part nung nasa loob. Ito lang kaya, o ganyan. Parang si Heart Evangelista. Ganon! Grabe naman, parang mas dumoble yung laki ng noo ko dito. Ayan. Wala na kaming energy, so...
No, but
Magsa-start na kung kailan magsa-start na yung laban, tsaka kami wala na energy.
ano? Gusto ko na umuwi.
Ako rin. Hey, okay!
Your PC, English class, English class. Your PC, English. Patay mo isip na ano. Patay ibang word na maisip. Dapat meron tayong tatlong word na ano, na nag-describe sa atin.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang na natalo tayo.
Ano na tayo?
Minsan lang tayo matalo. Tanggapin na natin.
Ayaw maglaro, di ba?
Second, tapos yung key player, nakabalik na siya.
May isa na kaming panalo! Hindi pa counted. Hindi ko alam. Counted yan! Kasi nanalo kami, tapos sinira ni Kimi yung yung coconut. So, yun. Tak sila. Oh, boy, nananakot sila. Boy, mga bata. Tapos isa pa namin ka-group umuwi. So, hindi ko alam. Baka ano pa kami. Ma-disqualify pa kami kasi umuwi yung isa, tapos papalitan namin. Guys, kinakabahan ako. So, kami na yung next. Tapos kinakabahan ako kasi tingnan nyo naman tago 4. Ayun si Mikmik ko. Kinakabahan ako. Kami next. Tapos wala pa. Isa pa lang yung panalo namin. Tapos hindi pa ako sure kung counted ba yun. Tapos, dalawa yung talo namin. Oh shit. Go, Rocky! Rocky! Galing pa! Rocky! Rocky! Yay!
From lowest to highest tayo na. So, HE, 13. Bird, 15.
So, kumain na pala kami ng lunch. Nakalimutan ko na videohan. Nakalimutan ko na videohan kasi pagod na kami. Anyways, andito na kami. Nakatila na kami sa Frisbee. Hey, matatalo rin ako dito, but tanggapin na natin. Diba? Amazing. Okay, the Pisby is gonna start. Oh! Ano na ba na Yung araw na nagpipicture tayo, tapos sabi ko pa, sino ba yung mga yan? Ba't nandyan sila? Tapos kayo pala yung mga makalag na.
Ay, wak po kami doon. Galing kami tayo doon. Ang bahala ko sana. Wait na dalawa. Yun na, nahuli kami.
Guys, wala kaming review. Wala talaga. Ito lang yun. Ito na yun. Okay, so I'm walking home from school. So, nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. Sobrang daming nangyari. I lost that quiz view. I lost by like 2 points or 1 point. Basta pareho kami ni Marty, the girl beside me, na merong dalawang mali. But I lost once in intermediate and once in easy. While she lost once in easy. I mean, twice in easy. She's going to advance in the final round. While me, tomorrow, I'm just gonna be sitting in class listening to my teacher. It's good that I lost because if I won, I don't know if I can take it. The pressure. Teaming up with someone to compete with other strands. I don't think I can. I mean, I wish I can. So that is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you liked it for this video. That's my day. And I hope I get to vlog more of these videos for you guys and for myself. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And remember, big things come to those who wait. Adios!